Hey parents, how are you? I wanted to give you a video to help you a little bit with letter sounds. Letter sounds can be tricky when you're helping your child read words and decode words, as we call it. We can make some common mistakes that might make it more difficult for the child to learn to read. So I wanted to go over with you how the letter sounds work. Now, we start with our short vowel sounds, and after Christmas we get into our long vowel sounds, which are A, E, I, O, U. But the short vowel sounds and vowel sounds in general are all what we call voiced. So if you put your finger right here on your voice box, you're going to feel something when you say the word because you are making a voice. So a as in apple, e as in elephant, these are our hand motions, I as in inchworm, a in ostrich, and in umbrella. All come out of our voice box. Then we have consonants. Some consonants are voiced and some are not. So I have the doubles here for you. I have T and D, for example, are T and D. Same mouth, if you see this mouth right up here. Same mouth, but one is a breath and one is a voice box. T, D. We want to be careful not to add a vowel sound after some of these hard sounds, like D can be duh, but that makes it difficult for them to then spell or sound out, let's say, dog, because it becomes duh-og. So you have to make it really crisp. P and B are also tricky, but it goes p, b, s, z. I'll do F and V too. V. You kind of hold the sound instead of clipping it, which makes it sound like a vowel is at the end. C, G, and K are interesting because they all have the same mouth. C and K are the same sound, and also CK is how we spell words that have a short vowel in the middle and a K sound at the end. So, K, G, K, G is the sound that those vowels make. Now we move on to some basic consonant sounds, but again, be very careful not to add a vowel after it. So M is M, sorry, it's voiced, M. N is N, different mouth. If you can see M, the mouth is together, and N, it's apart. J, J. That's a hard one, especially for Spanish speakers because it has a different sound in Spanish. L is said with the tongue out. I do like this. It's a non-voiced. And then R is R. Now, these two are tricky. It took me a while even to learn how to say them correctly. Y is not Y. It's ye. So we say ye because yellow is yellow, not yellow. W, we hold the sound and we say w instead of wa. Be very careful when you're helping your child sound that out. And then these last two are double letter sounds. So X says KS. X, X. And QU does not say qua, as some might think. It says ku, ku, because queen, quick, and quiet are not quiet or queen. Queen. So, just to review really quickly, all of our vowel sounds have, every letter has a motion with it, but the vowel sounds are the ones sometimes if you can pull out the motion, it might help them sounding something out. A, like an elephant trunk, I, an inchworm, a, an ostrich. We don't act out the ostrich. I just show them what their mouth does. And then umbrella. And then again, just do your consonant sounds with no vowel at the end. Same with these consonant sounds. Yi, woo are the tricky ones. And then x and Q is KW and X is KS. I hope that helped you. Please let me know if you have any questions or if you want any more information. I appreciate you. Thanks a lot.